Hello my dear students. Today I introduce you to one of the most prestigious professional qualifications in the field of commerce. CA, Chartered Accountancy. Chartered Accountancy course is provided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And to become a chartered accountant, a student needs to go through 3 levels of examination. The first level is called as the foundation level, the second level is called as the intermediate level, and the third level of examination is in the final level. Now, let us understand what is the eligibility criteria to enroll for a chartered accountancy course. Any student who has passed 10th standard is eligible to enroll for a chartered accountancy course. A person qualified 10th standard starts from the first level, which is the foundation level. The foundation level contains 4 papers. 2 papers are descriptive examination and 2 papers are multiple choice questions with negative marking. Once you finish the foundation level, the next level is the intermediate level. For a student to enter into a chartered accountancy course, Institute prescribes 2 routes. The first route is the foundation route and the second route is the direct entry route. I would first discuss the foundation route and then move on to the direct entry route. For a student to enroll into the CA course through the foundation route, the student has to pass 10th standard examination. However, to appear for the foundation exams, the student will have to appear for the 12th standard examination. But please note that it is not compulsory that a student has to learn commerce in his 11th and 12th, which means any student, whether from the commerce background or from the science background or from the humanities background, can enroll for CA course through the foundation route. Foundation examinations are conducted in the month of June and December every year.